All right, you guys. I only have one light on. We're rolling with it today. I feel really lazy because I don't even want to get up to turn this light on, but it's okay. It's real life vlogging. I leave tomorrow. I'm officially going to make sure that I am all packed within like the next 2 hours. Ooh, I would almost stabbed myself. That would have hurt. Let me give you the list of things that I need to fix. I need to fix this lens on my Sony ZV-1. So I added like a wide lens on it, but I got really creative in how it's sticking on, so that's here nor there. I came home early today for the simple fact is one, just me trying to finish all my work stuff and with zero distractions, but I got a ton of things in the mail. If you know me in real life, me and Skims are like best friends, so I just bought like a ton of Skims, literally. So I'm really excited that those finally came in because I didn't think these were coming in because I didn't get a notification. When I looked online this morning, it literally said it's still in Illinois, so there's that. I was able to get the protecting housing for my GoPro, and really big deal for me. Let me explain why to you, if I can get this open. So, we all know that I carry and I shoot, right? So, I want to, oh, this housing is huge. We're gonna clamp this on, and boom. So that part's done. This goes on there. I do much so really need to go to my car because there are a few pieces to my GoPro that are actually I might not need it. Okay, so here we go. We're set to go on this portion. That way, there we go. If something were to hit the main portion of it, I'll be fine. Like I said, when I go shooting, I want to be able to physically, I'm actually wanting to wear the GoPro when I go shooting to the gun range. And just to kind of better understand like my aim and stuff. Ooh, I got another one of these. So there's that. Then, what else did we get? My boyfriend loves me so much. Ugh. He bought me the handlebar seat. Oh. It's the handlebar seat post and pole mount. Yeah, I'm trying not to rip this box, but it is what it is. So, I feel like my eyes just got really big. We are 100% ready to go on my camera stuff. All things camera, we're ready to go. The only thing I just need to double back on is my Sony ZV-1, just to make sure I have that together. Oh. All right, you guys, and we're gonna pack, and I will see you in the morning. All right, you guys, today's the day. It's travel day. So pretty much packed everything. We're just gotta drag it to the front of the door and put a t-shirt on and roll out. So I'll see you in just a second. All right, you guys, bags are packed. There's one, I have my purse down here, and then lastly, the main attraction, we have the camera bag. Everything is in this bag. So, head to the train, hopefully I make it there on time for the first train. If not, I'll just wait 12 minutes and then the next one comes. So, let's roll out.
Through the Scenic passenger last name. No.
I am so freaking excited to be home. You have no idea. No idea.